Hello there YouTuber. Today I'm going to unbox a 2-inch full range speaker by OmniBeyond, produced by a local small company in Malaysia. So I bought this on Lazada for 300 ringgit, 299 something. So this guy come with 3 years warranty. This is how I receive it. It's in the box wrapped with styrofoam. So let us just remove this styrofoam and see what's inside. Oh, look at that. Wow. Surprisingly, this guy come in a wooden box. This is very classy somehow. You can't find any speaker in the range of 300 provide you come in a wooden box. Okay, so they put pride on it. It's a good start. 2-inch full range speaker. Nice. Oh, inside we have two of the unit, and this is, I believe, a filter, possibly bass blocker. At the end it have a detachable clip which goes to this speaker input. Okay, so what is this? Oh, we have the speaker stand. Oh, I see. Hopefully this is actually very good to angle your installation, but I would glad if they provide double taps on this unit instead of me buying another double taps to get it here. It very make my installation much easier because they provide this wooden box. I believe they can provide a small 2-inch double tap, no issue. But anyway, it's just my thought. All right, basically you can buy double tap pretty easily and just go grab it and attach it here. Right, so let's take the unit itself. Wow, this is so gorgeous. Shiny black finish at the back, aluminium body, and the grill is a solid metal. I thought it's just a plastic. It's a solid metal. The dome, basically they claim is a titanium dome, but what I see here is actually a soap dome. Look like a soap dome cone, right? So this unit come with 3 years warranty. It is very good. They have such a long warranty for such a speaker, and to be honest, they are quite on the expensive prices, because for 300 ringgit you possibly can get a better tweeter, Hertz tweeter or something. But I think tweeter would just play more on the high notes compared to this guy which play full ranges. For me personally, I buy this unit because I want to create a staging on my car, where this one I put on top of the dashboard to create a staging for vocal instruments, and to fix the off-axis location which my hertz would be installed on my door panel. So this one will help, but remember this is a 2-inch unit. I believe it wouldn't play a hard bass kind of sound. So for those who think this is a full range, this including bass frequency or somehow, please don't do it, or you will be hurt yourself, because this unit doesn't play heavy bass. You still need your door speaker, and please maintain it. Okay, so because most car nowadays, even you drive a Conti car or premium Japanese car, is still unsure either it will provide you a center channel. Most of the time it just have a door channel, a side left and right tweeter. So basically this is a quite cheap solution for you to get the center channel to work. Even it is not really a center channel, it's just basically tapping your front and left speaker channel to this unit. Alright, so After this, I will do a short listening test with you guys, so you can understand how this thing works and how it speed in your environment. So okay, here we are in our test bench. So this is the Omni Beyond. I able to hook up with this Altec Lensing speaker amplifier using this very simple connection. It is very messy. If you're not used to do this, please do not try this, because it may damage your Altec Lensing unit. Okay, so from this test, I would make this Omni speaker sound just by itself. Okay, so let's try few songs. I don't own any of this copyright of this song. My attention is just to test this speaker. Okay, let's play this track anyway. Before that, this Altec Lensing has a power of 9 watts. I believe it's 9 watts on the voice channel. So as you can see, the volume is full. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just. Okay, now the bass that you hear actually is come from the Altec Lensing subwoofer. So now let me disable that. Alright. So basically it sounds on its own. I am blasting the speaker up. I'm not sure if you can get it clear on the cam, but definitely it's not distorted anyway. Anyhow, it's very good so far. Okay, now let's see the effect with the subwoofer. So this is the environment that might happen in your car if you have speaker on the door panel and you're adding this unit. So I'm turning the bass on. And see, remember this one is disabled, by the way, so only the sound only come from this unit. Some people search for a fountain, the promises forever. Yeah. Some people need 3 dozen. That's the only way you prove your love now. Hand me the world on a silver platter. And what? Okay, now let's activate this unit. Imagine this unit is your full range on your door panel, in your car door panel. Okay, so I'm going to enable it, so you will see the real effect what I mean about on the staging. Okay, we got it back. So I already enabled this speaker. So imagine this one is as your door full range speaker, your door panel full range speaker, and this one something like on your dashboard when it's attached. So the combination will cause a better staging. Alright, let's play it back again. And by the way, this guy is disabled anyway, so for the left channel is from this guy. Some people live for the fortune. Some people live just. I think Alicia keep forget certain notes in the song, that's why it's a bit delay over it. Some people live just to play the game. Some people think that the physical things that sound actually pretty good for this kind of upgrade, such a for the 2 unit upgrade. It is sound very good. I believe this speaker is also quite expensive on its price, because for 300 ringgit you can get a better Hertz tweeter as well, but of course the tweeter will play mostly just a higher frequency compared to the full range that this unit provide. So again, I will show you one more thing about the representation on this unit. So I'm going to play something that had bass. I will disable this unit together with the subwoofer, so you can only hear this one playing the music on a song that has bass. Okay, so let me put the setting back on. Okay, so this song has bass, so let's see how this unit responds to bass. Sorry, on the subwoofer, it's not from this unit, it's the subwoofer I forget to disable. Actually, this unit have a bit of a bass kick in it. Definitely have a bass kick, but just minimal. I can feel this styrofoam vibrate a bit. As you can see, the vocal is the one frequency. This is the frequency that it's focused most. Alright, so I think that's about it. I covered the whole thing about this Omni Beyond speaker, the 2-inch version. They said it's a full range, but I believe it's more like a kind of mid-range. It will not cover the full ranges as you expect from your door panel speaker, but definitely you need this for staging in your car, which is you need a vocal staging. Of course, the singer voices must be floating in order for you to feel the live experience sounding in your car. Okay, so now about this unit, actually I see a lot of manufacturer already started to follow this approach on this 2-inch satellite speaker. I saw another 2 brands other than Omni. One is Soundstream, another one is Nakamichi. But as far as I believe, Nakamichi together with Soundstream does not produce 2-inch full range speaker. Because I tried to search on the website, I couldn't find the model as described, and then together with Nakamichi, I couldn't find the 2-inch full range unit as well. So possibly they just using Nakamichi or Soundstream trade name to sell those speaker. But for me, I'm not a brand loyal. If it sound good, why not just buy it? But Omni bring its own brand, be its own brand and name, and they give you 3 years warranty. Of course, I think I just for me it sound better. I just buy which is sound better. That's it. Not really into brand loyal or something. So to wrap up the things, so this speaker doesn't play much of a bass. It's more on vocal, instruments and stuff, and it is better if you need staging in your car, because most of even premium car doesn't come with center channel, so you need this unit to. Sorry guys, I just found out the recording wasn't good because I'm too much overamp the speaker, causing it to distort. So some of you may have problem listening to it. So this is after I found the capabilities of recording sound, so I managed to volume down the system so it's not over loud. So this is how it sounds. Remember, this unit playing that unit also, but not that. So this one is the left channel, this one is the right one, and playing with the subwoofer. So this is like the similar environment in your car.
I'd like to say we gave it a try. I'd like to blame it all on life. Maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. That's a lie. And we can deny it as much as we want. But in time, our feelings will show. 'Cause sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough.
So now let's test by disabling this unit and then just playing this unit with the subwoofer. Okay, now just this unit and the subwoofer.
So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, then maybe we would be two worlds apart. But right here in each other's arms, and we almost knew what love was.
Okay, now let's just listen to this unit with no subwoofer.
Cause sooner or later, we'll wonder why we gave up. The truth is, everyone knows. Almost is never enough. So close to being in love.
Okay, so that's basically how this unit sound. So to wrap up everything, so basically this one is your center channel in front of your dash. Of course, this unit you put on top of your dashboard. So this guy basically act as your car door speaker, and the subwoofer down there is like when you hook up a subwoofer in your car. So that's how it sounds. So combine these together, you get a better staging, better vocal quality, and your music become live. That's it. Alright, so if you like this video, just subscribe. If you dislike, you do what you do. Alright, till then, see you again.